Hello everyone, and welcome to today's analysis of the NQ and a small bit of the ES. It is Tuesday, the 21st January. Yesterday, Trump was put into office, and you could see it on the charts. What happened? So let's go to a cleaner looking chart. I had some nice trades yesterday. Actually, they're on this chart. I had some nice trades yesterday. I had one that could be way nicer from here, as I was talking about in my stream, and I was targeting down here, and it could have been a crazy one. The thing is, ES went to my TP and created an SMT, but NQ didn't, which was very annoying. So they had this crazy wick, like an hour before US Open, even though it was a bank holiday. But yeah, it was just kind of crazy volatility. But I took partials here, so it was a 3.5. And then on US Open, just before bed, I took this for a 4-1. My target was here, but I was about to go to bed because that's like 12:30 for me at night. So I closed it here. And then Tokyo did some interesting stuff where it took Sydney's high and then created like a massive swipe into structure within like 40 minutes. Like this was like 40 minutes, which is kind of crazy. It's a very big liquidity grab, I think. So now this has become valid for me. I'm going to say that this was liquidity taken. And now we've had, this is gone. We've had breaks in structure upwards internally. And currently I think what's in jeopardy is this past daily VWAP up at 21,850. Now, there is a chance that they just take internal liquidity with Tokyo's high and then pull it back because we are leaving a lot of liquidity behind from Asia, and they can come back into this 2-minute OB easily. But until that happens, I'm not going to do much. I'm in a long. I just took like 2/3 profit because we've come into a block here. So. But my bullish continuation model is still valid for now. But they can come all the way down to like this liquidity grab. I would say that this is invalidation, kind of extreme invalidation. But we have one here where my stop is for a larger kind of, or like a quicker, kind of more cautious invalidation. We have equal lows above it, so there's a chance they come back there. But I'd like to see one more swipe into this and perhaps see the ES take Tokyo's high before exiting the position fully. I'm cool to get stopped out because I took most of my profits just now. So, yeah, kind of day done already, you know, not a bad one. Yeah, so currently, like, structurally, this is kind of iffy, this drop. I feel like this retrace, if we did take Tokyo's high, could just knife us back into structure because of what we've built. But, you know, there's also a chance that because the size of the liquidity grab was so massive that we just do expand, taking out both of these highs and coming up to this block here, which is a 10-minute OB. Above that high that I said if we swing failed, it would be really tasty. Yesterday I took the short off of them coming into this 24-minute vector OB that was responsible for the break structure, had a nice naked point of control. And it's a red vector and there was a breaker here. That's done, that's tapped, it's destroyed. So coming for a US high, I don't see them stopping until here. We have some nice anchored VWAPs around there as well. There's a chance that they keep going up. We have a RTH gap above us at 21,960, and we okay, the RTH gap spans, yeah, that high, 21,900. Okay, if we take 21,900, there's a chance that we fill this gap, I guess. But for now, actually, you know, they could just come into this pocket and forget about the RTH gap, or they could just sell right here. Very possible. Money flow is looking like it. There's still a chance that it can come up. I will say so. I will say that. You know, retracement here, some vector recovery and push up, definitely possible depending on what time. But look at this liquidity that we've built here. Like, there is definitely a large chance that we even front run Tokyo's high and pull it back and take out China's wick. Not this wick, this internal wick. This one, because it's not the strongest here. If we do start breaking down internally, this stuff ain't looking pretty. Now, whether it's for US or not, I don't know. We'll have to see. All in all, not much has changed. This has made me more bullish for the coming week. Honestly, with this kind of move down and then push up. Now we'll have to see if we do take out this low. You know, that would, to me, spell a lot of, it'd be dangerous, definitely. I could see very deep pullbacks if we did touch this low, but we can get accumulation back inside here. We recovered the 50% of this weird gap that we had, and we're closing above it now. So it'll be interesting to see how today reacts to and sets up for US's open. Yeah, currently money flow is looking not bad. If we get a hidden div here, I wouldn't be too scared, just because of the state of money flow. But we can, obviously, we can come deep into this, and the closer we get to US, and the deeper the pullback into here can be before perhaps possible continuation. But yeah, that's it for today. Honestly, it's so quick. That was just so quick. I did all of my kind of bigger time frame analysis. Not much has changed over the past few days. It's basically now, do we push up and hit the offers around 21,900, or do we just mitigate and maybe range around here? I could see that happening too, with this kind of move, this spanning move. Could see a bit of a range over the next day, but it's also Wednesday and there's a lot of hype going on with the whole Trump thing. So yeah, we'll just have to see. For now, we're bullish, but we're coming closer to potential bearish pulls. My overall bearish invalidation would be like, well, I mean, technically we're invalidated here, but I mean, like this pocket, I'd like to see a crazy reaction from this pocket, like 22K. If not, I have the 12-hour OB up at 22,200 or so, but we're playing with, like, that would be a very macro lower high if we did switch bullish or bearish after that, and it's possible. It'd be coming into this pull here. No, that's not how you do it. We have this high and this high. And were they responsible for something? Actually, you know, they were responsible for a lick grab. Overall, they were responsible for this large break of structure, but it's getting a bit stretched out. I could see a very, very volatile move up into 22,200 in the future, and that perhaps being somewhat macro lower high. But we'll have to see. Like, we do have massive liquidity pools here, but immediately, you know, we are bullish. So playing that for now. All right, peace. Peace, guys. I'll post this chart. This is this liquidity here is something that, you know, is available for us to come back into, but you know, we are weighted towards the upside for a swipe. So yeah, you know, just go with the trend. This seems like a pretty solid push. I can see US having a big push into this area and then maybe getting a pullback. So let's see what happens. All right. Peace, guys. Happy trading. And we'll catch you. Oh, not tomorrow. We'll catch you on Thursday. Tomorrow's my day off. All right. Peace. See you.